always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep my...
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically in this vlog, I will be that padaku girl who studies continuously because I become so productive from nowhere. I don't know why, maybe because mains is just 2 months away from us and I have that strong feeling in me that I'm not ready yet. I still need some time. I think this is called as the last minute wala regret feeling because I got the last 2 years and I did nothing. Matlab, of course I covered a little bit of syllabus from each subject, but why didn't I cover most of the syllabus from each subject? Of course I do have that worst feeling in me. Well, I've added a few clips of Diwali. Now let's get into the main vlog. So let me tell you what all I did in the past few days since I've been uploading any content on my YouTube channel. I completed 2 chapters in physics, that is semiconductors and ray optics. Ray optics has blown my brain off because of its high weightage, and also it was the 8 hours lecture that I had to complete. Since my plan was to complete 1 chapter in 1 day, मैंने सोचा कि ray optics मुझे खत्म करना है at any cost. I did my best from my part. I didn't waste my time since morning. I sat down to study that chapter in the morning 10:30 at 10, I don't remember. But रात तक I just completed 5.5 lecture. It might be strange saying since the morning till the night I just completed the 5.5 lecture, but you need to accept the fact that you will have so much to remember, recall, and you need to understand the topic, not just listening and noting down the notes, right? You need to solve the questions in between. Kuch homework questions bhi diye the and I was solving them right on time. Whereas semiconductors, I just did it in 1 day. Ray optics is a heavy chapter, so it took me so much time. So that's with the case of physics. When exams get near, all we do is search for the sample papers. But the main question haunting us is, which sample paper book would be the right one for us? Guess what? I have got a solution for this. The sample papers that have boosted my confidence and made my exam prep go easy. Not just for me, but for all of us who are looking forward to ace their exams. Here are the physics wala sample papers that consists of 6 sample papers for each subject with explanations which include topper explanations as well. These will also improve our time management skills with regular practice and help us to assess ourselves. They cover the latest NCERT syllabus and they are very much familiar to the CBSE board exam paper pattern. The sample papers are of various levels, easy, medium, hard, which will help us to prepare better. If you want to buy these books, they're available on Flipkart, Amazon and in the PW store. I will provide you the link in the comment section as well as in the description. Do go and check it out and also use my coupon code SHT150 for a special discount applicable only in the PW store. And now coming to mathematics, I have done the permutations and combinations recently, matlab yesterday, and today my plan is to complete the binomial theorem, and since I have these 2 half-yearly exams, I'll be preparing for that too. And yeah, I have my half-yearlies from 25th of this month and I know 1 week a time. Including JEE, it's a waste of time, but excluding JEE, these exams are also important. तो एक बार तो एग्जाम लिखना पड़ता है, so 1 हफ्ते का time we can give it to these exams also. So right now I'm still doing the ray optics chapter. Matlab this is the morning sessions and I have shot a few clips of that. Now talking about chemistry, I'm just giving a quick update ki what I'm doing right now because most of you asked that in my comment section, so I'm answering that. Talking about chemistry, I have done physical and inorganic mostly, so I'm confident about chemistry. Organic I have started it. I'm listening to the one shots. I have done the nomenclature and isomerism chapters, and the next chapter is GOC I'll be doing after the exams are done. Since we have very less time left, my plan is to complete the syllabus till December. जितना हो सके उतना. Daily 1 chapter तो पक्का confirm करनी चाहिए मुझे. Either it is a high weighted chapter, low weighted chapter, heavy chapter, less chapter, I don't care. But 1 day 1 chapter for sure. इस तरह syllabus बहुत जल्दी हो सकता है. And in the month of January, since we have time till 20th, what I'm gonna do is revise every single chapter that I did and solve as many questions as I can. In this way, I'll be confident enough for the exam and I'll never regret ki मैंने कुछ पढ़ाई भी नहीं की and I'm here today writing this exam. So getting headaches is mandatory. Whenever I'm learning a typical concept, my head starts spinning so badly that I'm surviving only on boost. I'm ignoring caffeine as much as possible. Coffee is out of my list now. Well, you must be wondering where I'm watching. It was on the TV that I was watching my lecture just for a change of peace of mind. I went there, I had my lunch and made an omelette for myself, and uske baad I was feeling so sleepy. Whenever I have a heavy lunch, I feel sleepy, but still I controlled myself. And then in the evening, I again had a cup of boost. In the night, I replaced my dinner with this apple and banana juice. It makes my stomach so full, and it's also very healthy and wholesome. The next morning, I started my study session a bit late at 10:30 or 11. I started the permutations and combinations, and yes, I managed to complete this on time, and I feel so happy about it. Since I've shared so much about myself, now it's the time that you guys share about your preparation, your strategy in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your response. And talking about going to school and attendance, no, I'm not. I am going only for practicals. That's on Wednesday and Saturday. That's it. अगर हमने प्लान किया कि एक दिन में एक चैप्टर खत्म करनी है, then how can we manage it by going to school every single day, right? So yeah, school अगर मैं जाती हूँ, I feel so exhausted, and later when I come back home, I don't feel like to study. And I keep scrolling the rest of the time. So to feel productive, I'm staying at home and studying. In the evening, I'm still not done with the chapter. A quick reminder, I had the cornflakes for my evening snack. Telling my true experience about this chapter, when I did this chapter in the 11th grade, I felt it so weird, but it's now comparatively easy and simple right now. You just need to apply good logic in this chapter and you will be done. You will get your questions. When I was solving PYQs, especially mains 2023 के PYQs of this chapter, they were so easy. मतलब they were all NCERT level. Even if a person does the NCERT and go and write the exam, permutations and combinations उसके पूरे के पूरे आ जाते 2023 में. That simple it was. Later, since it was Children's Day, my brother had to take and go a greeting card for his school. It was a competition, but he doesn't make it. He gave his name for the greeting card competition just to go and show the greeting card made by me, not by him. And yeah, I was doing that. I was searching for some ideas and I did it. I was feeling so annoyed because subah se leke raat tak I was busy with the maths, and now this. I was so frustrated and I started yelling. But anyways, it was for my younger brother, and that's okay. Younger brothers are the sweetest. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you all again with a new video very, very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, and keep following me on YouTube. Bye.